Today we are discussing about the topic is digestion in small intestine. In the small intestine, the digestions of the fats. Digestions of the fats. So the digestions of the fats in the small intestine, the fats is converted to the emulsified fats. In this digestions of the fats in the small intestine, the fats is converted to the emulsified of the fats in the presence of bile salts. In the presence of bile salts. So the digestions of the fats in the small intestine, in this process, the fats is converted to the emulsified of the fats in the presence of bile salts. So what is the meaning of emulsification? So emulsification means it is a very small unit of the pieces of fats. It is the emulsifications of the fats. Emulsifications means very small unit, very small pieces of the fats. So the fats is converted into the emulsified of fats. Next in this emulsifications of the fats is converted to the diglycerides. Diglycerides. So the emulsifications of the fats is converted to the activated to the diglycerides in the presence of the lipase enzyme. In the presence of lipase enzyme. So in this diglycerides is converted to the monoglycerides. Monoglycerides in the presence of lipase. Next, after the monoglycerides is converted to the fatty acids. Fatty acids plus glycerol. So it is in the presence of lipase. It is the digestions of the fats in the small intestine. So the digestions of the fats in the small intestine, the fats are converted to the emulsification of the fats in the presence of the bile salts. Next, the emulsifications of the fats is activated to the diglycerides. So in this diglycerides in the presence of the lipase enzyme, and the diglycerides is activated to the monoglycerides in the presence of lipase, and the monoglycerides is converted to the fatty acids plus glycerols in the presence of lipase enzyme. It is the digestions of the fats. Now we are discussing about the digestions of carbohydrates. Digestions of the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Now the digestions of the carbohydrates is converted to the carbohydrates is converted to the monosaccharides like sucrose, maltose, lactose. These are totally monosaccharides. So the carbohydrates is activated to the sucrose, maltose and lactose in the presence of amylase enzyme. In the presence of amylase. So amylase means salivary amylase. Salivary amylase is contained to the enzyme is a ptyalin and lysozyme enzymes. These are act on to the carbohydrates. Finally is converted to the sucrose, maltose and lactose. These are totally monosaccharides. Now the maltose is converted to the maltose is converted into the glucose. Maltose is converted into the glucose in the presence of maltase. In the presence of maltase. At the same way, the sucrose is converted into the glucose plus fructose. Glucose and fructose. fructose. In the presence of lactase, sucrase. And the same way, last one is lactose. Is converted into the glucose plus galactose. In the presence of lactase, these are the digestion of the carbohydrates in the small intestine. So the carbohydrates is enter into the small intestine. At the time the carbohydrates is act to bind to the amylase enzyme. In this amylase means it is contained into the enzyme is a ptyalin or lysozyme enzyme. It is finally converted into the monosaccharides like sucrose, maltose and lactose. Disaccharides, sucrose, maltose and lactose. And the maltose is converted into the glucose and glucose. And the sucrose is converted into the glucose plus fructose. And the lactose is converted into the glucose plus galactose. These are the digestion of carbohydrates in the small intestine. And the same way the digestions of the nucleic acids. Nucleic acids. So the nucleic acids are like RNA and DNAs. These are the nucleic acids. In this nucleic acids is enter into the small intestine and then the nucleic acids is converted into the nucleotides. Nucleotides. And the nucleic acids is enter into the nucleotides. In the presence of nucleases. In the presence of nucleases. After the nucleotides is converted into the nucleosides plus phosphates. In this presence of nucleotidases. Next, the nucleosides is converted into the sugars plus nitrogen bases. In this presence of the nucleosidases. These are the digestion of the nucleic acids in the small intestine. So the nucleic acid in the small intestine is converted to the nucleotides, the presence of the nucleases. And this nucleotides is converted to the nucleosides plus phosphates in the presence of the nucleosidases. And the nucleosides is converted to the sugars plus nitrogen bases in this presence of the nucleosidases. It is the digestions of the small intestine in nucleic acids. These are the totally physiology of digestion. In this physiology of digestion, we are discussing about the digestions of buccal cavity and the digestions of stomach and the digestion in small intestine. In the small intestine, we are discussing about the digestions of the proteins, digestions of the carbohydrates, and digestions of the fats and the digestions of the nucleic acids. These are the topics of the physiology of digestion.